Ours is a psychiatry practice group which has been around for over 2 decades, providing high-quality psychiatric services to various behavioral health organizations.
IPC has a very family-friendly atmosphere. So it just functions just like a family. We all come in different sizes, shapes, and we all have our own strengths, assets, and we all have our own unique working style.
At IPC, I want to find ways to disrupt the current world of behavioral health to ensure we can make an even larger impact than we already do.
So what brings me back to my work at IPC every day is the general need for awareness and understanding of mental health concerns. There's a lot of stigma around seeking mental health services in different communities for different reasons. And part of that is that we don't have enough access to providers to be able to provide some of that education.
I have been challenged with finding providers for open positions that we've had. I've worked on weekends, I've called, I've emailed, and it actually came with some golden nuggets, some unicorn providers that we were able to place in jobs that needed psychiatrists.
My biggest goal is to mentor the people that I work with. So making sure that they feel like they're part of IPC, that the culture is positive, that they feel like they have growth within IPC, they feel mentored, that they can have a positive impact on patient care.
At IPC, we truly integrate our providers into various healthcare organizations that we are affiliated with.
So the most rewarding part to be with IPC is the amount of support and appreciation that you get for the work you do. I find especially inspiring with the way IPC has grown for the past 5 years. I became part of the IPC 5 years ago, and I was very reluctant to join a small organization, but the way IPC has grown for the past 5 years is amazing.
I love being a nurse practitioner and helping people with their mental health. That is what I find most rewarding about my job. I also like the population that I serve.
And I find rewarding that I get a varied group of clients to work with and help people on a daily basis.
One of the most rewarding things I find about working with IPC is getting to work with colleagues that are so passionate about the work each and every day. I love coming to the office as well as working with our remote colleagues and getting to be with people who want to make a difference.
I find most impactful that we're able to connect with some of these organizations in times of growth and also in times of need, and able to really serve their clients the best that we can with our network of really experienced and qualified and compassionate providers.
I feel it actually very grateful to have a family-friendly atmosphere within the IPC family.
I like working for them. They're just like family, and they give you opportunity to grow.
I find most rewarding the impact that we're having on patients in our communities. As of the end of 2024, we will have seen over 100,000 patients. And knowing that we are having an impact on patient care every day that we wake up and go to work is very rewarding to me.
One thing that separates IPC from some of the other practice groups is we provide both on-site as well as telepsychiatry services. We also have board-certified psychiatrists for both child and adolescent as well as adults. We also have board-certified psychiatrists who specialize in addiction treatment services. So we are truly able to provide any and all levels of care of services because of how our practice is structured. What matters to me most at IPC is that we have an eclectic group of providers who are able to come together and are able to deliver high quality services.
What matters most to me about IPC is maintaining that family-friendly environment.
What matters most to me about IPC is that they actually care about their employees as well as their providers. They create a family bond where I can go to the CEO of the company, and you just can't do that at any job. So I love the fact that IPC has an open door policy and that we really are family, and if we need help with anything, that they are there to help.
They gave me a great opportunity to help people working remotely in teletherapy and enhancing my career and my work-life balance. It's been a great partnership, and really appreciate the opportunity to work and help people.
What matters most to me is definitely culture. I think it's important to be part of an organization where culture is big, and there's a lot of positive attitudes and gratitude towards having a great place to work and being able to impact patients every day.